We want to figure out how to do cumulative subtraction. We have our salary here. Let's put dollars there. And we have monthly expenses. We have the expense and the cost. And here we have like $500 for rent. For dinner out, we put 50. And every time we have a cost here, we want it to be subtracting here. So let's have remaining. So all we have to do is equals this salary, put in the reference to that cell, minus, and we can have a sum of B5 colon B. Now what's going to happen is this remaining, maybe we make it green, is just going to keep subtracting whatever the sum of this is. So we put another expense here, electricity, it's $100, and see the remaining continues to subtract. We could put this salary remaining on another tab, or we could have it here at the top. We can actually move it up to the top here and just double check that this sum is always going through down here. If we want to make sure that this doesn't change even if we move this around, this remaining, we can put dollar signs here, and now we can copy paste this. But we do need to make sure where that B2 is. B2, now if I copy paste this over here, see it's the same. So I can put remaining here. I can get rid of that and put it over here next to it, for example. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.